Welcome to Bit Block Code, where I basically try to attempt to solve these coding challenges in Python from Code Wars. So this one's at 7 KYU. So we're just warming up here, not too difficult. And it's asking us to complete the method which accepts an array of integers and accepts one of the following. Oh, excuse me, and returns one of the following: either yes, it's ascending, yes, descending, or no. So right off the bat, we're just going to do some like if then statements, or if else statements, I guess. And we're just going to do some tests. So it's going to be like some conditionals. I'm just going to do this in the local Visual Studio Code here. I'm going to put in. Let's maybe just do this test case real quick. Okay, so basically, I think what we want to do is, I guess, first sort, like basically just call sorted right on this, and this is going to return it in ascending order based on the value of these integers. So and then I'm just kind of thinking here, if we is it possible to like 15 17 3, so that reverses it. So we okay, so actually I was thinking like originally we'd have to like kind of go like this and then go like this and then kind of do like key. Oh no, is it reverse and then true, right? And then call on that, and then just be like, yeah. So like instead of doing these two lines, I'm gonna try to just do one. So bear with me. If and then I just want to test like if okay, so Python equality, right, equals if this argument that's being passed in, which is a list, is equal to ask order, yes, ascending. I should actually like just copy this. I always like to do that just so it's right. Okay, and then we're gonna do an elif after that, right? And then actually we can just do ascend order. Remember we just did that, and that reverses it, so that would sort of be like descending. That I don't like this. We'll call it sort list, right? I like that terminology better. So elif r equals sort list negative, and then we're just going to copy yes descending, right? So we're going to return yes descending, and then else we're just going to be like straight up no, right? Like straight up. Okay, so I think that was it. Let's see if that works. That worked. Okay, so at this point, is there a way for us to condense this? It looks like a lot of code right off the bat. Let me think. If I was going to condense this, what would I do? Well, I don't know if it necessarily needs condensed. Obviously, the goal is to be like the most legible code. I mean, why do we need this? We could just go like that, right? If that's that, and then we could just be like, wouldn't that work, right? Like this should work, right? That's pretty readable. Okay, so that works, so that's good. If LFS, I mean, I bet you there's a one-liner solution here. I bet you like you could probably do something like I have a question though. I was wondering, like, can you do like return, and I think it's called like a ternary operator, but like, no, that would be messy. It would just be a really long string because I'd have to write 3 different return statements if I'm going to write that. I think I'm just going to go with this. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what other answers I like. Yeah, that's how the top answer did it, right? That's what we did. Yeah, so they did the same thing. Yeah, yeah. Sorted. Oh, yes, that's true too. What are they saying here? For checking order. Oh, I see. So, well, it is bad. They didn't really well, it is bad. What did they do? Whoa. What? That's just insane. I don't get what the point of this one is. All right, what is his solution or her solution? Holy cow. What? Okay, whatever. Yeah. All right, I think we're good. I think that one's pretty much settled, so let's do another one. So we just did sorted. Yes, no, how. All right, we just did that. Let's do this one. Oh, geometry. Oh gosh. Find the total sum of internal angles in an n-sided simple polygon. N will be greater than 2. Find the total sum of internal angles in degrees. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what. I'm not really great with geometry, so I was thinking like a triangle, but so it's an angle. So it's an angle n-sided. Find the total sum of internal angles. How do you find internal angles in an n-sided? I don't even know what that means. Is this it right here? This looks like the formula, right? This is it right here. So it's 180 n minus 2 degrees. All right, let's just. Was it a multiplier? Did it multiply? Yeah, because 180 times n minus 2, right? So like, if I was just like, so 3. Yeah. So it'd be like 3 minus 2 times 180 is 180, right? That's that. So like quadrilateral would be was that 4 minus 2, which would actually be 2 times 180, should be 360. Okay, yeah, it's as simple as that. So I like using this one here. So return n minus 2. This would be an asterisk. We'll get rid of that, and then I think that should be it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. All right, that one's kind of stupid. I'm gonna give it a none. I guess it's best practice. It's like there wasn't much, okay, I think it was just teaching me about the sum of the interior angles. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of, like, some of the math ones are okay. I like more of like the algorithm ones. That's kind of what I like a little bit more if it's going to be math based. But I really just like learning more about the Python like language and syntax. So, anyways, that's that alphabet war. You know what? Let's just take a short break here. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back, and we're gonna start coding. Just had to have my donut and coffee. Gotta take a little break. All right, so we're back at it in Code Wars. We're doing Python coding. I'm attempting to code in Python, so I will warn you, I'm still learning. So let's check it out. Alphabet War. Why don't we try this one? Let's see what's going on here. I've never seen this one. There's a war, and nobody knows. Oh, it's the Alphabet War. Okay, so there's two groups of hostile letters. Wow. Holy cow, this is just intense. Extremely violent. So we got to write a function that accepts fight, okay, which is a string. It consists of only small letters and return who wins the fight. When the left side wins, return left side wins. When the right side wins, right side wins. Okay, another case. In other case, okay, so it's like if that, okay, so it's a conditional, right? Left side letters and their power. So W's 4, P's 3, B's 2, S's 1, okay. Right side. Right side letters and their power. Okay. Okay, so I think I kind of get this. Basically, like if the string includes one of these letters, it's considered on the right side, and we're gonna sum up these integers. Okay, all right, so let me think the best tool for this problem. Automatically, I'm thinking of like, oh man, like a dictionary. I can create a dictionary and just call this like left dictionary and then assign key value, then this would be the right side, and then kind of just loop through this string. But the only difficulty is it's like I don't know how to do two dictionaries. It'd be like one loop and two dictionaries. I think we might be able to overcome that. So okay, so that's one solution. Second solution, I think there's like a map function. I don't know if this would help us though. A map. I remember learning about this. Mapping protocol. Map. It's an iterator that applies. No, I don't think that's it. Python transform. No, maybe that's not it. We don't. Transpose. Is it trans? We don't want trans. No. Oh, what would be like a good way to solve this? All right, well, in the meantime, we're going to keep thinking on this, guys. So let's put it into our IDE. Let's get set up here and rock and roll. Let's test, let's just test with this easy one here. Let's just test with this one here. Okay, so, all right, you know what? Like, I'm just going to try that, like, I'm just going to try to solve it. All right, we'll call this the left side. Oh boy. Okay, so we gotta make this a string here. Equals 4. So we're creating a dictionary. We're just gonna create our own little homemade dictionary here. It's extremely homemade. What's the last one? S. Oh, gotta close that dictionary. Is that right? WPBS, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's do this. And then we'll do right side. Give me a second. I think it might be quicker if I go like this. Get rid of these hyphens, make a colon. Yeah, and if you guys know the answer, if anyone's out there, feel free to help me out in the chat or something. I would appreciate it if you think of a better way to do this. Otherwise, I'm just gonna proceed. Does that look right to you guys? I think, is there supposed to be spaces there? I don't know. Okay, is that right? E, Q, D. Okay, I think it's right. Okay. Okay. So now, for character in fight, let me just make sure we're printing out the right thing. Yeah. Okay. So that's right. So for character in fight, and then we got to count, right? So we'll just do what's called a counter. Oh, we need a left counter and then a right counter, don't we? There's got to be a way better way to do this, but we're just gonna get through this. Okay, so all right, for counter. Oh, okay. Oh, you know what I want to do? There's got to be this dictionary lookup that has like a default of 0. I forget what it is. So we want like. How would I? No, we want like. I don't know what I'm doing. If you have some advice, let me know, man. I obviously do not know what I'm doing. I'm trying to loop over each letter in fight. So I want to see if this W, if so it's like if in left side, or would this work? So like if okay. So if this letter is in either this dictionary or this dictionary, now I want to pull out the value. But see this, I'm stuck. For CH in fight. I think there's got to be a better way to do this. Um, Turkey, sweet. I've always wanted to go to Turkey. Do you drink coffee? Cool. Coding hospital automation. Sounds awesome. I'm coding Code Wars. And then G. Okay, I think that would pull in the value. Yeah, I think that it would match the key if G key this side. Then it's like else. I don't need an else statement, do I? And then if G in right side, we're do right counter, and then we're gonna do right side ch. Well, actually, this can be an elif, can it? Elif. And then do I need to continue here? I don't think so. No. Let's try without it. And then let's just return the left counter and the right counter. What's that do? 4 and 3. Perfect. This is actually a tuple, I think. So that means that the left side would win. Left side wins. Okay. And then how would I? Okay. No one knows Python in Turkey? Oh man, that's crazy. There's a lot of tutorials online. You know what you should check out? You probably have seen this. I was just looking at have you seen Replit? Replit has some cool tutorials, like 100 days of code, and they'll teach you how to code in their browser, using your web browser. It's pretty cool. So you don't need to download the IDE and get your environment set up locally. I think it's all in the browser. It's pretty cool. If left counter is greater than right count, oh boy, right counter. If left counter is greater than right counter, return left side wins, right? And then elif right counter is greater than left counter, return right side wins, and then else return let's fight again. We gotta escape this. Get rid of these. Left side wins. I guess that's it. This is a long code. I don't really like this. All right, it passed. Let's just see if it passes the. Yeah, it passed all the tests. Man, it's ugly. I don't like. I feel like I need the 2 dictionaries, so this is a necessity. This is a necessity. I feel like that needs to happen. Even though I'm noticing these are both. Yeah, let's just say you need 2 dictionaries, right? And so then, do we need 2 counters? That's the thing. I'm aware of the counter function or method, but first, and then here I'm looping if ch is on the left side. I'm checking membership. I'm looping through this string for each character in this string, and then I'm saying membership. Hey, if this letter is in this word. Or no, I'm sorry, if this letter is in this dictionary, then basically just count it up. Let's just count it up. Else, if this letter's on the right side, let's just count it up, add it to the right side. And then here's my logic to check, like, to do the output on like which string, you know. So it's like the left's bigger than right. I feel like this could be condensed too, but you know what? Let's just submit it, and then we'll learn what the best way to do it is. Oh, whoa! So it's one dictionary, and they got negative values, and then oh, you know what they're gonna do? Wait, hold on. Let's look at this. What is this? R is they're taking the sum. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so they're basically tapping into the dictionary using this like generator expression. They're saying like, um, take the dictionary value for each letter or character in the string if the letter is in the dictionary. Okay, and then they're summing all of that. Okay, including the negatives, and then is that an R? Yes, it's an R. Okay, so then they're returning. I think it's called a ternary, but I don't know what this true thing means. That's bizarre. So they're saying like, if it's 0, let's fight again. If it's positive, it means the left side wins. Okay, so they must have, yeah, they use negatives for the right side, right? So the negatives on the right side. And then true. Why do they need true there? That's interesting. Let's just like, let's see what the heck this code does. Let's inspect it. What if I get rid of this? False. Right side wins. True. Wow, that's. I have never come across this. I don't know what this means. Like, this looks like a list, and then like without it, it's a set. This is a set right here. Like, why do you need that? Why can't you just use parentheses? Let's see if they explain this. Why did he? Yeah, this is what I'm wondering, right? Thanks for explaining. He uses true as a key to diction. As a key to. So he returns value where key is true. Value is true. Yeah, I agree with this one. I think this one's clever. I don't know if it's best practice though. And gratuitous dictionaries. Access by key. Let's just explore this real quick. I'm still not clear why there would be true after this dictionary. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so this is a dictionary. And then he's saying like, return whichever one of these is true. Whichever value is true. Let's just let me test something out real quick here. Okay, that's my dictionary, and I want to do a test funk, and then just taking nothing. Well, it's taking this test funk dictionary, and then I want to return. Oh. Okay. Oh, I see. I don't even know how I test this. Okay, so he's saying he's putting in this value, and if this condition. Oh, I'm just talking to myself, man. I'm just talking out loud. I'm just like walking through like my thought process. I'm just trying to figure this out. If you know, let me know since you know Python. All right, cool. Let's look at some other solutions real quick. Is this really like? Is this really? I think this is what I did right here. Yeah, that's basically what I did. All right, let's move on. What do you think? Should we do a 6? Let's freaking try it. Let's try it. Let's go. Not a 5. Let's definitely not do a 5 right now. Let's just do a 6. Oh, I don't like this Roman numerals decoder. Let's do most completed. We're going to sort by most completed. No, don't tell me it's the Roman numerals one. This one is so bad. Oh, I hate it. All right, let's try CamelCase Method. All right, what do we got going on here? Right, simple CamelCase method, CamelCase function for strings. All words must have their first letter capitalized without spaces. Okay, so I have a couple ideas here. Let's test with like this one here. Okay. Oh, it's interesting. Okay, so you see this space right here, so we're gonna have to clean this up as well. So I think we're gonna want to strip Well, if we split this, what if? Yeah. Oh, that's okay. So we can just do that. That cleans up, and that splitting by default is Oh no, we don't. We actually don't want to split by that default. So I guess split like does the okay, and then for each yeah, and then we're just do like string out, right? And then we're just gonna basically be like, well, eventually we want the string out to be there, but like, oh, you know what? You know what'd be cool? I could probably do this in one line. I'm thinking. Check this out. Check it out. Check it out. Watch. But like, let's just do a generator. Can I do generator? No, I want to do like list that comprehension x for x clean string. So basically, x for x in clean string, and then we want like upper. We want to call upper for each one of these for x in string, and then like we want the join feature here, and I think. Oh, whoa. Oh wait. Can we just do like? Can we just do that? Oh no. Oh boy. Title. Oh wait, we don't want this term. Case word. I think that's it. Cool. And you know what? Just so we're like on the same page, we could probably like while we're doing this. Yeah, we can just do it in one line. Return. So we're doing a list comprehension x for x in string, but what we're also doing is like title case. So title case right here, calling title case, which is, I guess this is a built-in on each iterable. I don't know the right terminology for x in the string, and we're also splitting this. So yeah, let's give that a whirl. This was an easy 6. Some of them, this was like easier than a 7. Like it's really bizarre. Let's see if this passes. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's submit this. Oh, this is pretty cool. Title replace. So they're just getting rid of all the spaces and putting them next to each other and calling title. So if I call title, let's just check this out real quick. Wait a minute. Okay, so I want to keep that one, but I just want to like return string.title. Yeah, so title still keeps this space here. And then it's like replace space with no space. Yeah, that's pretty wild. What are they saying about it? Yeah, there's definitely a title. Yeah. Everyone's just saying how he's clever, like. All right, that's one way to do it. Then this is the other way to do it, which is the same way. I think this is what I did here. Text title. Oh, capitalize. Is capitalize still around? I don't know. Guess it is. Okay, that was. Oh, this was like good advice. Yeah, that was good. Okay, so basically what he's saying is, here we'll just comment that out. So he's saying we don't need a list comprehension because we don't really need to store anything, right? So it's like just use a generator expression. Yeah, it's a lot better. Word. Cool. All right, I'm gonna take a break. We'll catch you guys back here soon.